This is what I do for the money.
Okay.
I'm
making
Austin,
the door go back and forth.
and this is my story. See, what happened was I was grabbing the moth, and then it caught some of his big mother friends, and they like destroyed me.
You got him. You got him. You got him. It's all you. It's all you.
For real.
Ah, you got him.
Are you alive, buddy? You alive? What the? These jumps are hairy?
Look at his hands. That's his legs is what's stripping me out.
Bruh, this junk fly out. Alright, hold on.
You got him, yo. You got him.
Man, Austin, you cracked me up.
Stay open. You know, I'm just gonna like grab it and throw it.
Nah, son.
You better get away from there, man. Don't be in my way, cause I will truck. I played football, and that was blocking and trucking. That's what I was just
They
doing.
can see me. That's what I was gonna say.
And running. Here we go.
Oh.
That thing fell. Where did he go? Austin said, "Where my $2 at?" The moth-bird fell. He's gone. He's dead. You see?
I'm not sure. I saw him fall back there
I
though.
think I should get another. I should get some extra.
I see him. He's dead.
I think I should get some extra for killing him.
Oh, he's dead. Yeah, he's dead.
I think I should get some extra for killing him.
He's dead. He went off.
I gave him a heart attack. I think I should get extra. You saw how I gave it a heart attack? That's what
Wow.
I do for the money.
Okay then.
Alright, what you finna buy me, Elijah?
So there you go. He gave the moth the death grip.
Did you get him after him laying there?
Yeah. It's only 2 minutes. I felt like longer though.
I know, cause all this.
Alright, but y'all wouldn't do it though. Y'all were scared for me to even.
All right. Well, that was actually awesome. Giving him the death grip.
Like, I made him have a heart attack.
All right. Yeah. You have any last words for the viewers?
Heart attack.